everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise Marie. So for those of y'all that are new, in my last video I did a couple of DIYs for Valentine's Day. If you have been following me for a while, then you know I love minimalist boho neutral decor, and so I did do a couple of DIYs with my friend Alice for Valentine's Day. And if you love farmhouse decor, definitely go check out her video. I will link it below for you as well. We got together, we did a couple of DIYs, and so today in this video I'm going to be decorating with those DIYs I did, also with a couple of things that I did purchase. So this is going to be a haul video as well, because I did purchase a couple of things from Target for Valentine's Day, and I'm super excited to share them with y'all. So alright, let's get started decorating.
So if you saw my last Valentine's Day video, you saw the cute little DIYs I did for this video. But the items I did purchase was this candle here from Marshall's, and then the 2 coffee cups are from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and then the pink little vase there is so cute. That is from Dollar Tree, and it actually had some blue dots on it, but I went ahead and scrubbed those off. I got that idea from my good friend at Jacqueline Lopez Lifestyle. And yeah, and everything else I just kind of had on hand. So for the entryway, I added this Be Mine on here with a chalkboard marker, and then just the little love plate as a spot to put our keys. And so for my haul tree, I like to add a little touch of decor on here for the holidays as well. And so I just repurposed my Hobby Lobby wreath that I had and used some of those wooden hearts that I got from Hobby Lobby and just hot glued them on there, and that was it. Cute but simple, and I love it. So for my coffee bar station, I love to also decorate this during the holidays, and I wanted to keep this simple but cute with a touch of Valentine's Day. So as soon as I saw these cups come out, or these coffee cups come out, I knew I had to get them. They are from, like I said, the Hearth and Hand collection from Target. And then I thought this cute Dollar Tree vase went perfect with it, and I just used some greenery that I already had on hand from the wreath that I DIY'd for Valentine's Day, and then the little block that cost me like $1 from Dollar Tree, and that was pretty much it. Everything else I had on hand, and I made sure to add a touch of copper, and the beads I had on hand from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just really happy with the way it came out. It's cute but simple, and it definitely shows that it has a touch of Valentine's Day in it. So one thing I forgot to show in my haul was this hand towel that I got from the Hearth and Hand collection. I thought it went perfect with the coffee cups, and I'll show you how I used it in this next shot here. So my letterboard is another thing that I like to change up for the holidays, and I just added this cute little quote on here that says, "Love is in the air. Nope, that's coffee." And so for my media center, I'm just going to be adding this candle that I purchased from Marshall's. It smells so good. It smells like rose. And then I'm going to also be adding the heart garland that I DIY'd from an old book. I thought it was neutral and cute but simple, and yeah, I really love it, and I love the way it came out. So I'm pretty happy with the way things came out for my Valentine's Day decor. I kept it neutral, I kept it simple, and I kept it, for me, I kept it as inexpensive as possible. And plus, when Valentine's Day is over with, I won't have so much to take down, which makes me happy as well. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of inspiration if you are doing any last minute decorating for Valentine's Day. And also just, you know, that if you have boho or whatever your style is, that you can, you know, incorporate it into any holiday. At least I think so. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I definitely invite you to subscribe so you can stay tuned for more content. Definitely follow me on Instagram for day-to-day content as well, at Denise_Marie06. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Definitely leave me a comment down below. I so enjoy making new friends and reading all your comments and applying back. And I guess I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.